Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. I was not planning on doing a second Walgreens haul this week, but here we are. I do have more deals to share with you guys, but all of these deals are different than the deals I posted yesterday. So if you haven't had a chance to check out yesterday's video, definitely do that because there are some amazing deals that I talk about in that video. I will drop a link to it down in the comments and the video description box below. But I did want to share a few more deals with you guys. Now, before I get started, I want to talk about something that I almost always forget to mention in my videos, but since this should be a shorter video, it's a good time to do that. There is a rebate, it's not an app, it's a website called pggoodeveryday.com. I will drop a link to it down in the video description box, but when you purchase Procter & Gamble products, you can scan your receipt to that website and they will give you points for purchasing those products. You can then take those points and cash them out for gift cards. So you're getting even more for your money. There's Domino's, there's Dunkin' Donuts, I think Starbucks is an option as well. So just an option if you're looking for other ways to stretch your dollar even farther. I will drop that link for you below. And of course, like almost everything I talk about, joining that is completely free. Okay, super simple deal that you can do this week is on the Purex products. So the Purex detergent like this, the Purex pods, the Purex crystals, all of them are on sale this week for $1.99. So just a really simple sale price if you're in need of some laundry detergent. And of course you can use your Walgreens cash or your Register rewards to pay for that. Now, the Dove. So my video yesterday, I talked about the Garnier. The Dove hair care is 2 for $8. So you want to grab 2 of them. There is a digital coupon for $3 off 2. And then when you purchase 2 of them, you're going to get $2 in Walgreens cash. So you're going to pay $5. You'll get $2 in Walgreens cash for buying both, which makes them $3 total or $1.50 each. Now, a deal that I was not able to do, but I will pop it up here on the screen, is on the Suave Essentials. If your store carries that product, the green apple I know is only $1, and there is a $1 digital coupon that's attaching to it, making it completely free. It's just not a product that my store stocks. Another super awesome deal is on the Gillette Aftershave. So in yesterday's video, I talked about the shave foam. Today, let's talk about the aftershave. These are buy one, get one half off. So one's gonna be $2.99, the other's gonna be $1.49. And when you buy 2 of them, you're gonna get $4 in Walgreens cash back. Now, if you are placing this as a curbside order, you can use the promo code same day and it will take an additional 45 cents off. That means you would pay $4.03 and you would get $4 in Walgreens cash back, making it just 3 cents for both of them. Now, that code same day appears to be a one-use code, so use it wisely if you're going to do a curbside deal. Another great deal this week, if you have these coupons, is on the L'Oreal eye makeup remover. So they are buy one, get one half off. So one is $7.79. The other is gonna ring up $3.89. I had a $7 manufacturer digital coupon as well as a $1 Walgreens store coupon. So the $1 applies to each item, which means it took off $2 total. I did use that code same day, which took off another 26 cents, making my total cost for both of these just $2.42 or $1.21 each. And I actually just used the last of my L'Oreal eye makeup remover, and I really like this one. I haven't tried the blue one yet. So the blue one says it's oil-free. This one says it's for sensitive eyes, and I really like this product, so I'm glad I have a new one to use. Okay, yesterday's video I talked about Colgate. Today, let's talk about the Oral-B products. So these are Procter & Gamble products, so you could scan this to PG Good Every Day. But what I did is I grabbed one Oral-B toothbrush priced at $4, and I grabbed the Glide floss priced at $4. These are on promotion for buy two, get a $4 register reward. So I had a $1 coupon for the floss, but check your account because other people have a $1 coupon for the floss and a $1 coupon for the toothbrush. I think I had just already used my $1 coupon for the toothbrush, which is why it was no longer there. So if you have both of those, you will pay $6. You'll get back a $4 register reward, as well as submitting your receipt to Ibotta. You'll get $1 back for each of these, making them completely free. Now, if it is your first time to do that deal on Ibotta, you'll get a 25-cent bonus. So it will make it a 25-cent moneymaker for you. I had already done the deal, so I got $1 back on each of them, making it completely free. Now, if you are brand new to Ibotta, join using my referral code because you're going to score $10 when you scan your first receipt. And there are so many fantastic Ibotta offers right now. I also have a complete tutorial on how to use that app. If you are interested, I'll drop it down in the video description box below. Another Ibotta offer is on the Preparation H, the cooling spray. This is priced at $6.99. There is a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. If you place it as a curbside order and you use the code same day, it'll take another 50 cents off, leaving you to pay $4.49, getting back $2 on Ibotta, making this product just $2.49. Not a bad price. Now, this last one, I promise, I am not dyeing my hair blonde. I did buy this just to show you the deal. It's on the Revlon hair color. So these are priced at $3.49 each. If you use the code same day, it's going to take off 70 cents for buying both of them. Now check your digital coupons because I'm hearing that some people got a $2 digital, which makes this deal fantastic. I did not get that digital coupon. So I paid $6.28. I got back $2 in Walgreens cash for buying two. And then I got back $1 on Ibotta for buying two of them, making my final cost $3.28 or just $1.64 each, which I'm assuming if you're used to buying hair color, that's a pretty good deal. I also put together a spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash scenario, and I did this as a curbside deal, so you could do it in store if you want, but I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. I grabbed the Purex, I grabbed the 2 Dove shampoos, I grabbed the Gillette, and I grabbed the 2 Oral-B products. So my total came out to $22.47 before all coupons. Now, I did use the coupon code same day that took off $1.25. I have to be at $20 after that promo code in order to get my Walgreens cash back. So you have to be at the spend limit after promo codes and after any Walgreens store coupons. So then the additional coupons came off for the Dove and the Oral-B products. So my total was $16.22. I got back $5 for spending $20. I got back the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Gillette, the $4 register reward for the Oral-B, the $2 on Ibotta for the Oral-B, and then the $2 in Walgreens cash for the Dove, making my total cost for all of those items completely free and a 78-cent moneymaker. So that's how I chose to use my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. If you were to do these deals in store, you can absolutely stack a paper booster with a digital booster to maximize your cash back. All right, that was all for the second haul. Don't forget to check out my first video that I posted yesterday. Tons of fantastic deals in that video. Hope y'all are having a wonderful start to your week.